Alright, let's look at equations. Strategy 1, guess, check, and improve. So, step 1, guess the solution. Step 2, check by subbing in on both sides. Step 3, compare the difference between LHS and RHS, so left-hand side and right-hand side. And then continue the process until you make both the left-hand side and right-hand side equal. So you guess something, sub it in, and then check if the two sides match. Let's see an example. Okay, solve 5 bracket 2p minus 2 equals to 3 bracket 4p minus 6 using the guess, check, and improve method. Let's start by testing something. Let's say, for example, p equals 1. So test p equals 1. So the left-hand side equals 5 bracket 2 times 1, take away 2, which is going to be 5 times 0, which is 0. RHS equals 3 bracket 4 times 1, take away 6, 3 brackets negative 2, negative 6. LHS does not equal RHS, therefore P is not 1. So we tested P as 1, didn't work. You can see these aren't too far away, so our answer is probably pretty close to 1. Let's test, say, 4. Let's see what happens with 4. Test P equals 4. LHS equals 5 bracket 2 times 4, take away 2. 5 brackets 8 minus 2, so 6, which is 30. Don't forget bracket means times, so 5 bracket 6 means 5 times 6, so we've got 30. Now try the RHS. 3 bracket using 4, 4 times 4, take away 6, so 16 minus 6 is 10, equals 30. LHS equals RHS, which is 30, therefore P equals 4. So as the name implies, we guess something, like a value, we check it by doing this, and then we improve if our answers are not correct. So, yeah, 1 didn't work, tested 4, 4 does work, because the two sides match. So the answer is P equals to 4. And like I said, these answers here were not too far off, so our final answer was not too far from 1. So I wouldn't go testing, say, like 25, for example, because these are pretty close. So, pretty close. Second example, 2 brackets, y take away 3, equals to 4 bracket, y take away 5. Using guess, check, and improve. Let's test the value. For example, let's test, say, y equals 2. So test y equals to 2. So LHS, so left-hand side, equals 2 bracket 2 take away 3, which is 2 multiplied by negative 1, which is negative 2. RHS, 4 brackets 2 take away 5, 4 multiplied by negative 3, which is negative 12. LHS does not equal RHS, therefore y does not equal 2. You can see this time these answers are a little bit off, so I might test something a bit different to 2. Let's test, say, 6. Test y equals 6. LHS equals 2 bracket 6 minus 3, 2 times 3, which is 6. RHS equals to 4, 6 take away 5, 4 times 1, which is 4. Okay, so still not equal. They are getting closer. So that's right, LHS not equal RHS, therefore for y is not 6. But, like I said, these are quite close. Let's test, say, y equals 7. LHS equals 2 bracket 7 take away 3, 2 times 4, which is 8. RHS, 4 bracket 7 take away 5, 4 times by 2, which is 8. They match, so LHS does equal RHS, therefore y equals 7. And that is my answer. Okay, so as you keep going through these, check how close these are. If they're pretty close, test something that's also close to what you just tested. So 6 was close, so I tested 7, and 7 is now correct. So y equals to 7.